Morning, friends. Let's start our new chapter, lesson number 8 of General Science with your Yogita Miss. Come to one page, take out your textbook and come to on page number 57. You have seen a very colorful and uh, little familiar pictures. Now here, can you recall, this is omit from your syllabus, but it is very important. You have to perform this activity in your notebook. I have already given the table of this previous standard many systems. Just like that, in the first picture, digestive system. In the second picture, you have seen the muscular system, and in the third, skeletal system. Now, name of the origin here you have given to complete the table. Heart function is the blood circulation, and body cavity is thoracic cavity. Lungs, respiration, function of the organ, and it is located in the thoracic cavity. Again, organ is intestine, function of the organ is digestion and absorption, and it is located in the abdominal cavity. The last one is the brain. Organ is brain, and the function of the organ brain is control and coordination, and it is located in the cranial cavity, cranial cavity. Now move on again our slide number second. The various organs. Then what is the internal organs and external organs? External organs means that we can see with our eye, just like our the body parts. These are our external organs. Our head, our pair of hands, pair of legs. These are our external organs. But internal organs, the various organs are safe within the body cavity. The human skeletal is protective shell for all the internal organs. Now, sometime what happens? Sometime when we fall while playing or have an accident. Sometime we are playing, sometime we are working, sometime we are doing some, yes, when we are technically there is accident and our bone or leg or of arm are broken. This is called as a fracture. That's we are studying in this lesson our skeletal system and the skin. A fracture is in a bone causes severe pain. Look at it, the boy having a fracture and he is in a severe pain. And the part with the broken bone swells immediately. Now, question is arise here. Your friend meets with an accident and a bone in his leg is fractured. How will you help? That is, first we have to let him rest at one place and prevent any movement of the fractured part, immobilize it, that don't move it, and get immediate medical help. Yeah, before of that, give a support of your ruler or wooden scale, and slightly tie with any piece of cloth, and the position of the fractured part is take अवे फ्रॉम यूर हार्ट एट द अपर पोजिशन. दैट इज उसको ऐसा ऊपर के पोजिशन में लटका के रखो. दैट्स वाई द डॉक्टर इज ऑलवेज हैंग अवर हैंड इन आवर नेक. तो वो हार्ट के पोजिशन से कैसे ऊपर रहेगा. क्यों? स्वेलिंग नहीं होगी, क्योंकि ब्लड ऑफ फ्लो क्या होगा, ऊपर के दिशा में रहेगा, तो स्वेलिंग नहीं आएगी. टू प्रिवेंट द स्वेलिंग. देन आफ्टर व्हेन वी आर गोइंग इन, दीज आर द ऑल द फर्स्ट एड्स. Then when you go in immediately in the hospital, after going to the hospital, x-ray image is taken of the part which is swollen. X-rays were discovered by, now the x-ray we are using now, who invented, discovered it, the Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen discovered the x-ray machines to get the x-rays of the different parts of our body. Now here you have seen the left hand side the X-ray image of a fractured bone. An X-ray image shows whether a bone is broken and also the exact spot where it is broken. This helps in providing the proper treatment. Without X-ray, many times the Hardvaidyas, yeah, the naturopathy, they have a knowledge about that, and they also do this type of bone therapy. Okay, now let's try this. Let's identify your here the bones are given here. Here the types of bones you have given. Bones of our body are class. You have feel some. What is the name of the hard part you feel on placing your hand on the chest? Rib cage. Yes. Do you feel some hard bumps on the back? What are they are called? The hard bumps are called we as the vertebral column. Yes, vertebral column. What difference do you notice between the bones of the back and those of the chest? They are the bum legs and these are the rib cage are the rod legs. That means that the human skeletal system, all the bones of human skeleton are not in the same shape. Every bone is different. All the bones together form a framework or skeleton. The skeleton gives a shape to the body. What is the function of the skeleton? It gives a shape to the body. All the bones of the body along with cartilage together form the skeletal system. Not only our skeletal system alonely form our body, but with the cartilage together form a skeletal system. Bones are hard, they are not flexible. Bones are composed of two main constituents. Bone cells are biotic, while calcium carbonate, calcium phosphate minerals and salts are the abiotic constituent of the bones. That means our bones are made with the two parts. One is a biotic and abiotic. Biotic factors are the calcium phosphate, calcium carbonate minerals, and those salts are the abiotic constituent of the bone. Calcium imparts strength to the bones. Now here different bones are given here. Flat bones, दिस फर्स्ट बोन इज इन द कार्टिलेज ऑफ अवर ईयर, हमारे कानों का जो है कान, दिस वन इज द फ्लैट बोन. एंड अगेन द स्टीरफ बिटवीन द रिपकेज का मिडल का जो भी है बोन्स, द मिडल बोन ऑफ द रिपकेज इज दिस स्टीरफ, दिस बोन फ्लैट बोन. स्मॉल बोन्स ऑफ अवर हैंड्स एंड ऑल्सो ऑफ अवर सॉकेट वाला बोन जो है हमारा, दिस वन. इरेगुलर बोन्स ऑफ अवर हिप्स, हिप्स के बोन्स है हमारे. लॉन्ग बोन्स ऑफ फीमर, पैर का सबसे मान, थाई का जो बोन है, इट्स अ वेरी लॉन्ग बोन है. these are the types of bones. You have to write down all this. Now the system which gives a definite shape to the body provides support. What is the skeletal system? The system which gives a definite shape to the body, provides support and protect the delicate organs inside the body is the skeletal system. Here students, we stop and in the next video we will meet with the next topic. Till goodbye.